Hi Ventura. The unique sound you just heard is known as the high-low warning system, used to announce emergency evacuation orders during wildfires, earthquakes, floods, and other disasters where residents must evacuate immediately. The Ventura Police Department has now equipped all of our patrol vehicles with this new warning system to allow neighborhoods to be notified to evacuate immediately. Notice the difference between a regular police siren and the high-low warning system. If you are close enough to hear the high-low warning system, please evacuate to a safe location. Our city and county have seen unprecedented wildfires in the recent years, and this new audible system will help us better protect our community. We also encourage you to stay informed by registering to receive alerts with the Ventura County Emergency Notification System at vcalert.org.